Hey there! This video will demonstrate how to set sender IDs for your message campaigns in TextPeak. You will learn how to use sender IDs in your SMS campaigns, how to add a new sender ID, and what each sender ID status means. When creating an SMS campaign, you can choose which sender number or name your recipients will see. The list of your sender IDs is available in the Sender IDs tab of the main menu. To add a new sender ID, click the respective button. In the pop-up window, enter the number. Then click Add. The number or name will be added to the list with the pending status. Now you should wait until our team checks the new sender ID. If its status becomes declined, it means that the number has been marked as spam and can't be used as a sender ID. If the status changes to approved, you can use the number in your campaigns. Above the table, you can search for a sender ID to quickly find the one you need. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video guides.